Here we are. On the pony trail. Pony trail at Sugarloaf State Park in Sonoma County, California. It's pretty beautiful. Nice mountains up there. Lots of oak trees. Pretty. Pretty. Alright, so this is the end of the pony trail, and then we have to cross the street. And across the street, I'll show you. So the waterfall is down there somewhere, and across the street, right there, is the next entrance for the canyon trail. So here's the canyon trail entrance. As you can see, there are plenty of signs to show you that there's a waterfall down here. So this is about 0.4 miles, I think, or something like that. Not too long. The whole loop is 2 whole miles. So honestly, not bad. And it is beautiful. There's so many streams right now because California had so much rain come through. So really nice.
on the canyon trail. There's about 100 of these stairs, according to the ranger, going back up to the street. So keep that in mind. Get a good leg workout. But it's beautiful, super lush right now. So we just got done hiking at Sugarloaf State Park. We got blessed with an amazing campsite. Tell them about it, Christy.
The campsite was great. It was a group campsite. We were the only ones there. And it was right next to the observatory, which was closed for this weekend, but it was amazing. The stars were incredible last night.
They were sold out of all the single tent sites, so they just gave us one all to ourselves. It was away from everyone, so it was private. It was special. And then what trail did we do? We did it super quick. We did it in 45 minutes, a whole loop. And we're feeling it. We're a little bit sweaty. I don't know if you can tell, but praise God. What was the loop? It was called Canyon to the Waterfall.
It was to the waterfall. It was the Pony Gate Trail, which is 0.7 miles, to the Canyon Trail across the street, which was another 0.6 miles.
Then 100 steps up.
100 steps up from the Canyon
Which
Trail.
Which you saw in that video. But they recommend doing it the pony to the canyon.
To the canyon, because as you walk in from the beginning, the end of Pony Trail to the Canyon Trail, you actually will come across the waterfall. Whereas if you start from where we currently are, at the end of the Canyon Trail, you end up kind of having to go down a lot of steps and then walking.
Yeah, that's the route that they recommended. So we did it, and it was great. So make sure you like and subscribe for more content like this. We're excited. We got so many more trips planned. We're going to Germany, Switzerland, the Dolomites, and Italy, and we'll see where next. And so thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next Kingdom Adventure. God bless you.